Yes, look at this chemistry question. The reaction between an organic acid and an alcohol in the presence of an acid catalyst is known as dash. So A, saponification, B, dehydration, C, esterification, D, hydrolysis, and E, hydration. The correct answer to this question is esterification. So first of all, there are a lot of things that they encode inside this question. So it requires you to understand some organic reactions. Now, so first of all, you need to know what they mean by this organic acid and what they mean by alcohol and what they also mean by this acid catalyst. So the only place that this happens is in esterification. That is when the alkanoic acid, which we also know as the carboxylic acid, when they react with the alkanol, that is, which are also called alcohol, in the presence of mineral acid such as H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid, this leads to the production of what we call the esters, which is called the alkanoate acid, which is known as the alkanoate family. And finally, water will also be produced. So that is also a neutralization reaction because the organic acid serves as an acid and the alcohol serves as a base, while the ester produced is known as the organic salt. So water will now be produced, just like it happens in neutralization reaction of mineral acid to inorganic acid and inorganic base. So right now, let me give the general representation of that. If you have the alkanoic acid can react with the alcohol or the alkanol, which we call alkanol. This is the same thing. So this will lead to the production of esters plus water. H2O will be liberated. So for example, if we have the ethanoic acid, which is CH3COOH. This is ethanoic acid, and this can react with ethanol, C2H5OH. This is ethanol. Now, this will lead to the production of what an ester called the ethyl ethanoate. So which is CH3COOH CH2H5. So, and water will be released. So this is ethyl ethanoate. So we have ethyl at the back, and this is known as ethanoate. So this belongs to the alkanoate family. So this is ethyl ethanoate, while this is ethanoic acid, this is ethanol. When both react together, it leads to the formation. This is the ester that we are talking about. And this reaction is known as the esterification reaction. This is the general representation of esterification reaction. So the catalyst used in this type of reaction is H2SO4. So this is the mineral acid catalyst. So this is the catalyst that we are talking about. So the correct answer to this question is option E. Thank you.